This is the Skywatcher Flextube 300p Dobsonian telescope, and I've now finally found the time to clean it and put it up there, and as usual a cloud came. So I just adjusted it for terrestrial viewing just to test and align the finder scope. This can be called as the ultimate portable telescope for one person, and anything bigger than this will be extremely heavy, cannot be handled by one person. So the size of the mirror is 300 millimeter, slightly 305 millimeter, 1 foot, and yeah, I'm using this ex-military eyepiece, which has a lovely, this for tank, I think. I bought it from internet. Very cheap actually. You have to pay for this kind of thing. This, I think the focal length of this is 37 millimeter. So it's really clear, and also you can put your eyes around with this eye cup. It really gives a good view and encloses your eye. And bonus is that you can use this cap. The only thing is that I adapt 2-inch adapter to this. I used one 2-inch adapter for the Hyperion, other Hyperion eyepieces. So really works nice. Astro's shroud also exists on this telescope. I will do the first daylight view of this, first light of this, of course I should say, tomorrow in the daylight when it is sunny. At the moment it's cloudy, so we cannot do any. It's getting dark and cloudy. So until then.